Thought I was going first. What the
He's intelligent, he'll figure it out.
How rude. So apparently we're coming down to our initial meeting place for the Sync the Planet ride.
Oh, hey there.
Which is next weekend.
It's the middle of winter.
Over to you, Dad.
Here in Auckland, New Zealand. In fact, we're less than a week away from the 4th of August. So that means it's nearly time to sync the planet. So this year we're going to be meeting to start our ride at 10 p.m. here in Auckland at Westhaven Marina. And because we start off at 10 p.m, we'll probably meet up at around about 9:30 and it will be dark. So it'll look a little bit different. It won't look like this, but it probably will look a lot like this. Or it might look like this.
Now where do we go, old man? Yes, Peppy, show me where to go.
But we're going to meet up here past the Royal New Zealand Yacht Squadron. They hold some fancy trophy in yachting at the moment. I think it's called the Old Mug, the America's Cup. And so we'll meet up just here.
Where the fuck is he going? Yes, let me park right here and take up 4 car parks.
If we're lucky, we'll have Mrs. V with us on the night. We've got her with us today.
If we're lucky, might even have a coffee while we're waiting here. Lovely view if you ask me.
So this is where we're going to meet. Harbour Bridge is there. All the boats are there. That's my one, third one in from the right. And we'll meet up here about 9:30, Saturday, August the 4th. And depart from here at exactly 10 o'clock. And a beautiful bike or two. Or hopefully there'll be more than that. And why 10 o'clock? Well, that's because the Sync the Planet, the ride for Unity, sets off at exactly 12 noon Paris, France time, and motorcyclists from all around the world join together and ride off at the same time. We'll sync the planet along with all our motorcycling brothers and sisters around the world, heading off at exactly the same time. So when we get going, just love that concept, I really do. Head round and go over the Harbour Bridge.
Listen to that puppy reverberating off all that shit, beautiful.
So then we go on to the Harbour Bridge. And we're going to head to Bayswater Marina.
Oh yeah.
One good thing about having our Sync the Planet ride at 10 o'clock at night is that there won't be so much traffic around.
I think we're heading to Bayswater.
So this is our our first stop of the night, or will be.
Ooh, how nice! Very nice.
I don't think I've ever been here.
Either.
You've never been here?
I don't think I ever have been.
Haven't you? Yeah. It's a nice spot, isn't it? And at night it's stunning. Bit of a cityscape over there. May not come out too well on the old GoPro-ish. No, he's learning the route because he's going to be tailing Charlie probably. So then we head back towards the Harbour Bridge, but we're not going back over just yet. Of course that view will look a bit different at night too. So here we go, down Queen Street. And this is a bit of a different view of the bridge. I wonder how many cars have gone straight across. Surely it must have happened since 1958 when the bridge opened. Somebody's doing a red bomb on my bike. Has to be done.
Sounds good in there.
We can hear you. This is the second stop, and then we make our way back onto the motorway over the bridge. Doesn't really work with the FJR, does it? And back towards the city. Look a bit different at night. Yeah, we should get some nice city views coming up here. It'll look a bit different at night. And into the tunnel we go. So through the tunnel. I guess this won't look any different at night. Oh, I like those lights. It's into Cook Street. Down Queen Street. And that'll bring us round to the White Lady and a feed for those who want one. So that's the plan. Sink the Planet 2018 here in Auckland, New Zealand. Meeting from about 9:30 onwards at Westhaven, departing bang on 10 o'clock because that equates to 12 noon Paris, France time. Anybody who wants to join us is more than welcome. 2 wheels or 3, it doesn't matter. Large bike, small bike, Harley, scooter, no difference. We're all out there dealing with the traffic and the weather. The only stipulation is no cars. No cars. Come and join us. A ride for unity, for world unity, and reflect on what it means to have personal freedom.